So what are you doing first?
There.
Uh-oh. That's a lot of baking soda in there.
Come. But Luke trying to make a mess here.
Okay. So we'll just do that. Put our baking soda in there. That's going to make a lot. And then, should we put some soap?
Yeah.
Okay. You push it. How about 3 squirts? I'll give it 1 more. All right. Now, let's take our tag off.
So we don't get a messy jacket.
That's right.
Tag.
All right, and then we're gonna show everybody it's Sally that we're gonna have exploding.
Yeah.
All right. So should we face it to the camera or do you want to see it? Why don't you run around and watch it from over here, and we'll face the camera so the camera sees it.
Pour that in real quick.
Okay, why don't you come over here so you can watch it? All right. Are you ready?
Woo!
It's bubbling, it's bubbling. I don't know if it's gonna make it to the top out of her mouth though.
Wait.
Just barely. Should we put a little more?
Yeah.
Ah! There it goes!
Ah! Wait, what? It's not going in our eyes.
It's not going up high enough. Oh, it's just starting to bubble up there. I see it. Maybe we can pour it through the holes up here. Let's see if we can get it to make a reaction. It's going through her mouth really good.
Mom, would you get Luke out of that spot, please?
Sure. And do a little bit more. Come on, Sally. Look, it's bubbling up.
It's bubbling out of her mouth.
What do you think?
It was like gooey.
Yeah. And there's still a lot of baking soda down here. Yeah, let me grab a spoon and maybe if we mix it up, we can get it to make more of a reaction.
I was making. Let's see how.
Okay, well, okay. We need to make sure that Luke is not going to put his hand anywhere.
It's kind of gooey now. See how much Sally has reacted
Okay,
by
I'm gonna
looking.
move some of this up. Okay, ready? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see it in there. All right, you say bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye, thanks for watching.
Pretty cool. All right, try and keep it over the